This 2025 Palomino Columbus 376DS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 42 feet 7 inches in length and features a taupe interior, sleeps 6, air conditioning, smoke detector, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, oven, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, TV, skylight, microwave, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Palomino Columbus 376DS is 14,441 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.